Hello everyone. Now let us see one numerical for calculating state transition matrix. Already we have seen how we can define the state transition matrix in a previous video class. State transition matrix is given by phi of t or e to the power at equal to inverse Laplace of Si minus A inverse. With the help of this, we can calculate the state transition matrix. But according to the numerical, we have a state model. We have a state equation in matrix form. We have output equation in matrix form. But if we see the formula for calculating the state transition matrix, we have capital A means system matrix. So how we can define the system matrix? If we compare given state model with a reference state model, after that we can define a system matrix A, input coupling matrix B, output coupling matrix C, and input output coupling or transmission matrix D. So to define A, first we will compare given state model with the reference state model and we know state model is given by x dot t equal to axt plus but. Output equation is given by of t equal to cxt plus dut. After comparing, we have a system matrix A. It is a -1, 1, 0, -2. We have input coupling matrix B. It is a 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. We have output coupling matrix C. 1, 1, 1, 2, 0, 1. We have transmission matrix D. It is 0. But here we need only for system matrix A because formula is inverse Laplace transform of Si minus A inverse. So first to calculate state transition matrix, first we will define Si minus A. I is identity matrix. Now let us see what is the value of Si minus A. S. We know A is a square matrix of size 2 cross 2. That means identity matrix we will define for same size. That means 2 cross 2 matrix. 1, 0, 0, 1. Already we have seen how we can define identity matrix. Minus A we know it is a -1, 1, 0, -2. I का साइज A के अकॉर्डिंग कंसिडर करना है so that we can subtract matrix A from matrix Si. That's why we are considering I of size 2 cross 2 to define Si minus A. So after solving we have Si minus A equal to S plus 1 minus 1 0 S plus 2. Now let us see how we can define inverse Laplace of Si minus A inverse. So first we will define Si minus A inverse. So Si minus A inverse is given by adjoint of Si minus A divided by mod of Si minus A. Already we have seen inverse of matrix. We can calculate inverse of any matrix according to adjoint of that matrix divided by mod or determinant of same matrix. So here we can calculate Si minus A inverse according to adjoint of matrix Si minus A divided by determinant of matrix Si minus A. Now let us see how we can calculate adjoint of Si minus A. So to calculate adjoint of Si minus A, first to calculate adjoint of Si minus A, first we will arrange for the minor of Si minus A, that is S plus 2 0 minus 1 S plus 1. Then in second step we will change to cofactor, that is S plus 2 0 1 S plus 1. Now to define adjoint of Si minus A, we will interchange rows and columns. So we have adjoint of Si minus A in third step according to S plus 2 1 0 S plus 1. This is my adjoint of matrix Si minus A. Let us calculate determinant of matrix Si minus A. It is determinant of matrix S plus 1 minus 1 0 S plus 2. It becomes S plus 1 into S plus 2. So Si minus A inverse is given by Si minus A inverse is given by adjoint of Si minus A divided by determinant of Si minus A. That means 1 over S plus 1 S plus 2 matrix of elements S plus 2 1 0 S plus 1. Now let us see how we can define state transition matrix. It is phi of t or e to the power at, and it is given by inverse Laplace transform of Si minus A inverse. Already we have calculated Si minus A inverse. So it is given by inverse Laplace of. Let us multiply 1 over S plus 1 S plus 2 with all elements of matrix S plus 2 1 0 S plus 1. So first element we have 1 over S plus 1. Second element we have 1 over S plus 1 S plus 2. Third we have 0. Next we have 1 over S plus 2. Now let us see how we can calculate inverse Laplace transform of matrix of elements 1 over S plus 1 1 over S plus 1 S plus 2. For second row 0, it is first element, second element 1 over S plus 2. So we can say we can calculate according to inverse Laplace of 1 over S plus 1. We can easily calculate, and its inverse Laplace is e to the power minus t ut. And how we can calculate inverse Laplace transform of second element for the first row? We can calculate according to partial fraction expansion form. So first we have to write 1 over s plus 1 s plus 2 in partial fraction form. After that we can calculate the inverse Laplace transform of second element for the first row. So its partial fraction becomes 1 over s plus 1 minus 1 over s plus 2. आप इसको कैलकुलेट करके देख सकते हैं. इनवर्स लाप्लास ट्रांसफॉर्म ऑफ जीरो वी नो जीरो. Inverse Laplace of 1 over s plus 2 directly we can calculate. So state transition matrix is given by e to the power minus t ut. Second element we have e to the power minus t minus e to the power minus 2t ut. Third element, or you can say first element for second row 0, second element for the second row e to the power minus 2t ut. So this is required state transition matrix according to given state model. तो जब भी हमको स्टेट मॉडल दिया हो सबसे पहले हमें सिस्टम मैट्रिक्स ए कैलकुलेट करनी है. आफ्टर दैट विद द हेल्प ऑफ इनवर्स लाप्लास ऑफ एस आई माइनस ए इनवर्स वी कैन कैलकुलेट द वैल्यू ऑफ स्टेट ट्रांजिशन मैट्रिक्स. And inverse of any matrix we can calculate with the help of adjoint of that matrix divided by determinant of that matrix. Inverse Laplace transform already we have seen how we can calculate. We can calculate according to partial fraction expansion method. So finally, if we will club all these things, we can easily calculate state transition matrix with the help of inverse Laplace transform of SI minus A inverse. Thank you.